Welcome to our tutorial about the slice command. We basically use the slice tool to chop up solids. Let's start by creating a solid. Just a simple box. Now let's select it. As you can see, our solid is located both above and below the XY plane. Let's activate the slice command. Let's select our solid, then right-click to finish the selection. Now we need to select a slicing plane. I want to select the XY plane, so let's right-click and scroll down to XY. Let's opt to keep both sides. Right-click, keep both sides. Now our solid has been cut by the XY plane. If I select the solid now, I don't have any grips for manipulating the solid. Let's activate the slice command again. Our first step is to select an object to slice. I'll select this box. Right-click to finish the selection. We're prompted to select the starting point of the slicing plane. And a second point. Right-click, keep both sides. And here is our slice. Okay, let's pan this geometry left and create another primitive. Another box. Let me take a top view. And I'm going to place a circle. Home view. Let's activate the slice command. Select our primitive. Now we choose the slicing plane, or we can right-click and select an option. I'll choose planar object. The slicing plane will be our circle. Right-click, keep both sides. And here's our sliced solid. Let's create another box. Okay, select it. Grab this handle and drag it below the XY plane. Take a top view. Let's go to the Surface tab, Planar Surface command. Create our surface here. Now let's go back to the Home tab. Activate the Slice command again. Object to slice, select the solid, right-click to finish the selection. Now the slicing plane, right-click and scroll to Surface. We'll select the surface we just created. Right-click, keep both sides. And our solid has been sliced by the surface. This concludes our tutorial about the slice command.